It's the first day of Hallway Week, better known as Hell Week here on the block. So what exactly is there to do this week? Our teams need to complete the hallways, staircases, laundries, powder rooms, doorways, and any other elements they want to fix inside their houses.
Welcome to my kids' room.
Wow.
Oh, look, it's so pretty.
Makes me miss my kids.
Yeah.
Lola would love this room, wouldn't she?
Yeah.
Isla would like this room.
This room makes me miss Frankie.
I know, me too. Look how beautiful this is. Yeah, they deserve it. Are you right?
We're all away from our families.
Yeah.
That's 50% of the challenge.
Yeah. That's what makes this competition so hard, because you are away from your family.
Having just witnessed Luke's plasterers stealing their gyprock, Sarah gets straight on the phone to George.
You know that plaster out the front of our house?
Yeah.
That's ours, yeah?
Yeah, that's what we took. Yeah, it's under the Kennard's tent.
Guys, you know that sheet you just took for the front? We actually need that. Is there any way that you could get that back to me?
Nah.
That's mine that you've taken, not theirs.
From ground, mate. She ain't shit his mate.
The reaction from the plasterer wasn't the greatest. He basically lost it.
Did they take him?
No, I just don't. She doesn't
They
need
got
to swear
attitude
at
at
her.
me.
Like,
What did he say?
He was just going off.
Yeah, they don't need to swear at her.
But you did come in a bit feisty, Sarah.
What's that?
Listening. You were a bit feisty when you came.
I
You
was,
don't
but-
deserve to be sworn at, but you were a little feisty.
Dude, sorry, I'm crying because I was just
don't.
angry.
No,
like,
no,
yeah,
no,
and
listen,
it's not
don't-
your fault.
No.
Like,
problem is we've had sheets taken that shouldn't have been taken, and then there's been a bit of disrespect coming from them, which we can't have.
No.
They shouldn't have. No one should have it.
No, I'll reprimand him. I'm sorry for that.
Thank you.
Okay. I'll get it all sorted.
Thank you.
Thanks, Dale. Have you got your sheets?
It's back.
Okay.
This morning, I saw a truck roll up with 4 new front door and door jambs. And I said, OK, so where's mine?
That's a bit unfair. They get a new door, I have to bloody renovate mine.
Have a look at this.
Every other house are getting new front doors. I've been told that I have to use my existing door. They speak to you about ordering it?
Yeah, day one.
They didn't talk to us at all about ordering anything.
Mate, you've been stitched. That's bull.
Hey, mate. Now, the reason why we kept your existing door, because it was in such good condition, it was beautiful. To see all this beautiful detail, this is a much better unit. That's the reason why we left it.
In a week where it's Hell Week, we have to spend a day, if not more, to restore a door. And now, I don't believe the door will come up as good as the other ones.
Hey, remember when I said you've confirmed that we can wrap the rooms that we've already completed?
He said we can. That's what Keith said. I asked him. He said we can.
Well, Keith has come and told me the exact opposite, and he wants us to rip all the packing that we've just done on this room.
How about number 5, Keith? How come he can wrap his, but we can't wrap ours? Is that okay? So 5 can wrap all these, but we can't wrap ours? Why has 5 able to wrap their whole front?
This isn't wrapping the walls, this is straightening the walls. You're quite welcome to put the paper on, but you're not welcome to actually straighten the wall yet. That happens in facade week. No packing there. Harry accused House 5, Jimmy and Tam, for packing out their walls. All they've done, though, is they've applied the Proctor wrap directly to the frame. That's all they've done. You were obviously doing the wrong thing. Now, Jimmy hasn't packed out his wall. All he did was put paper over. If you want, you can go and speak to him about it. He hasn't advanced. He clearly advanced in that area. So that's end of story, mate, and that's how it is.